welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see if someone rewatched your Snapchat story. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So one thing you need to know is that you cannot see who rewatched your story unless you have Snapchat Plus. Unless you have Snapchat Plus. Okay, so if I post a story over here, okay, let me post a story and then go to my story over here. As you can see, I cannot see my views. As you can see, if you want to know see how many friends have rewatched your story, you need to be subscribed to Snapchat Plus. If you're subscribed to Snapchat Plus and you click on next and then subscribe, then basically you're going to find who watched your story and whoever you watched your story. Other than that, there is no other way where you can see who rewatched your story unless you have Snapchat Plus. But this is basically here who sees your story. As you can see, nobody has viewed your snap yet. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.